Today, we will discuss Natural Reader, Speechify, and Mirth by providing textual content to people who might have trouble reading or processing text visually. All three platforms help to promote digital accessibility. Users can transform text from different linguistic backgrounds into audio thanks to each platform's multilingual capability. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. Natural Reader, strong focus on educational support and accessibility, provides answer for those who struggle with reading, offers a variety of choices such as plans tailored to education and free versions. A natural reader has a great deal of linguistic support and is quite capable. Speechify focuses on offering a natural sounding, high quality voice experience that is easy to use, renowned for its adaptability to multiple systems and its capacity to process diverse text formats, strong in terms of browser and mobile integration. Mirth focuses on using voice actors of the highest caliber for creating videos, presentations, and online courses, provides a large selection of adjustable voices and tools for adjusting audio output, strong emphasis on offering resources for creating voiceovers. All in all, although Natural Reader, Speechify, and Mirth have different target markets and feature sets, they all have the same basic features that make them text to speech or TTS platforms.